What's up, gardeners? How is the garden growing? In today's video, I am going to be focusing on the fountain area today. The fountain needs to be cleaned up and the area beneath it also has to be cleaned up. Now, the fountain itself actually got very dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and take out all the water, put some fresh water in it, scrub it a little bit, and beneath it, we do have a whole circle of boxwoods that are going to stay, but the salvia and everything in the middle is going to be removed and replaced with these colorful marigolds right here. And this is only because the salvia here is already looking a bit rough. It does look a bit diseased, and it's no longer its season here in South Florida for it. So I'm replacing it with more of a heat-resistant plant, and it also helps repel mosquitoes, which is a +1. I always recommend every garden to have some type of water feature, as it helps with formality, elegance. It just brings the entire garden together. So let me go ahead and set up the camera, and first things first, let's go ahead and clean out this fountain. So I went through and I tried my best in cleaning the fountain. Unfortunately, it is a bit stained here and some of the paint did start scratching off. Now, I did try to take out the algae that was growing on the fountain, and when I did try to clean it off, the paint did come off with it. For now, I'm just gonna leave it as is. Nonetheless, one of my favorite elements in the garden. So now let's tackle this right here. All we're gonna do is remove all the annuals beneath it, and I did see that one of the boxwoods had a broken branch, so I'm just gonna take that off. Now, I went through and weeded the entire area. So all that's left to do is to plant the marigolds and then water everything in very well. So here it is, definitely 10 times better than what it originally looked like. Definitely the marigolds add a little pop of color that was needed in this area. Now, of course, we do have the little issue that the fountain is a bit stained and the paint came off a little bit, but other than that, I'm really happy with the outcome. And comment down below what are your thoughts on this video. I definitely want to try to do more project type videos. So let me know in the comment section down below what are your thoughts on this video and if you'd like to see more like it. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already so you can follow along with me in this journey in building this food forest and organizing it a bit more. And of course, to see any more fun projects that I have in store. So thank you all so much for watching and I will see you all next time. Bye everyone.